Mga kababayan, may mga katanungan po nga pinaabot ng ilan sa mga reporters po natin dito sa SMNI at later on may mga sasama po sa atin ng mga vloggers so na magpapaabot din ng kanilang mga katanungan. Pero isa po dito na nais pong tanungin po sa ating mga abogado dahil kahapon nagkaroon ng press conference ang Philippine National Police Region 11 at ang kanilang tagapagsalita na sa Police Major Catherine De La Rey ay nagsabi po na nag-request kasi sinasabi ng mga kababayan po natin na overkill po yung dami ng bilang. Doon po sa mga abogado natin, dahil tinatanong po ng ilan sa mga ating mga kababayan, bakit po ganun kadami po ang dapat na pumunta sa mga compounds ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ, gayong si pastor lang at 5 ang kasamahan na kasama doon sa warrant of arrest. Ito po ba'y overkill? Ito po ba'y may paglabag sa batas? Or may violation ba ginawa ang ating mga kapulisan? Narito po yung ating abogado mga abogado po para sumagot po dito.
Well, as to the question on whether or not it was overkill, it was indeed an overkill and even illegal. Overkill in the sense that I have already cited Rule 113, Section 2, that there shall be no violence or unnecessary force. Si Pastor Apollo C. Quebuloy naman is a religious person. The members of Jesus Christ who are co-accused with him are likewise not known to be violent persons. So therefore, the force that should have been exerted, if there was a need to exert the same, should be proportionate. This is the doctrine of proportionality. Whether you apply international law or merely criminal law, you would not really find any justification in the sheer use of force. No? Even quantity-wise, the number was really outrageous. Quality-wise, using Armalites, bazookas, and other armaments was likewise incongruous. So therefore, by any yardstick that you would apply, you can deduce a reasonable conclusion that force was therefore unreasonable and the sheer number was likewise excessive and therefore a violation of the very rules of engagement of the Philippine National Police.
Thank you very much, Attorney Torreon.